Pazi zdaj, prelet, druga stran, evo ga. Naklo.
Jep.
In 2024, the drone team formation group at BC Naklo began developing research drones that could be used in environmental protection, education, and digital agriculture. After a year of testing, we created 3 models, a 3-inch, a 4-inch, and a 7-inch FPV drone. Each FPV drone consists of a frame, motors, a flight controller, a video transmitter, a radio receiver, an FPV camera, an action camera, and a GPS module. Depending on the configuration, these drones can fly for up to 30 minutes and can be used for a wide range of tasks. At BC Naklo, we employ them both in education and in research projects related to nature protection and digital agriculture. Among the 3 models, we are most satisfied with the 4-inch Flywoo Explorer. It is lightweight and highly mobile, which allows it to withstand strong winds in the high mountains. Using this small drone, we successfully conducted flights above numerous peaks in the Slovenian Alps. The images and videos we collected provide valuable material for remote sensing and monitoring of natural processes. With our research drones, we can carry out diverse tasks, such as analyzing vegetation zonation in the mountains, studying forest composition, monitoring geomorphological changes caused by climate change, conducting habitat analyses, forests, dwarf pine, meadows, rock outcrops, observing animals in their natural environment, monitoring clear cuts and wind throws, documenting tectonic faults, calculating vegetation indices such as NGRDI from agricultural land, monitoring mountain road construction and soil erosion, and even detecting iron ore mineralization in exposed rocks. This project demonstrates how drones are becoming powerful tools for modern exploration, research, environmental monitoring, and education. They allow us to see nature from new perspectives and to better understand the changes shaping our world.
Malo še prekinja, ja.
Ja, veš, da odbija signal, zaradi betona, ne, do tem, da